a continuous improvement specialist. Essentially, I go around and I make things more efficient, reduce variability, and try to minimize any defects.
I'm an operations supervisor in our sterile south area. I'm currently over the batch record review team, as well as some material handlers to ensure we get all components necessary to the lines, following the production schedule, and as well as reviewing all the batch records associated with the commercial batches we produce. I enjoy getting to network with a lot of different people across the site, different departments and individuals across the site that I've known from my past rotations, and just seeing the different perspectives they can bring to my area now.
The number one thing I've taken away from my engineering education is how to solve problems. You'll forget math equations, you'll forget thermal fluids and systems, but really learning how to take something you don't know and to dive deeper into that is something that you will use every day.
I did research with Dr. Ryan in her acoustics and vibrations lab, and so there were several weekends that we actually got to go out to Nags Head to the beach and do some research out there for the weekend, and so those were some fun weekends with the research team with her.
I did research for a few years with Dr. Muller-Bohr. I never really thought that I'd be that good at research, but she took a chance on me. It was fascinating, really. I think there's many reasons to go to ECU for engineering. Number one, I think, is the faculty-student ratio. In other colleges, your classes are much bigger and you really don't get that one-on-one time. But with ECU, they really do make time for you, and their office is open probably more than what they advertise on their office hours. I'd 100% recommend ECU alone just for the faculty.
Why wouldn't you? You get to learn the basics of all the concentrations. You get to meet a lot of people with different mindsets and perspectives from other concentrations. You get to have that close relationship with all of the faculty members, and you ultimately just get a really great engineering experience.
Every engineer that will graduate from ECU is another problem solver. So whether they stay in the engineering field or not, they're taking those skills and applying them to whatever career they're in, and eventually we'll just have thousands of problem solvers around Eastern North Carolina or even throughout the East Coast.
It all works out. It's worth it, and it all works out. So it's worth it for the staying up late for the lab reports, or the last minute crunch time for research posters, or the, doing the hard work to lead a group project. But that's all stuff that you can talk about in interviews. It's all stuff that you can look back on and be proud of yourself in the workforce. And it's all knowledge that you gain, and you can help apply it to your career.